Welcome to my YouTube channel. Out of the fixing the issue, the PlayStation network connected is not working. The error problem, the DNS error has been optimized. An error problem NW1023118. The mostly error problems. The PlayStation network has been properly error problem but solve the issue and the PlayStation network that connected is failed and properly guideline the check the PSN server status update reset your control button and check your internet connection and testing your the internet problems but for the testing internet and 5 roboting you are right the properly guideline and the check and PS5 with the properly guideline and PlayStation network the same error problem the solve the issue the PlayStation network the internet connection and the connected the fail but PS5 the properly is solve the issue PlayStation and network connect your support team and error problem the connect your support team the error the reason the problem the share the properly guideline